Hey everybody, my name is Dowden. In this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to talk about drum bus. Drum bus is a tool that pulls the extra power and grit and perceived volume out of your drums and other instruments. And it's super easy to use. Let's get started. This is the drum loop that I'm going to use. I'm going to throw drum bus onto the entire group. I'm going to turn the settings off, but it will still sound louder. This is because drum bus, even with the settings off, will make it sound a little bit louder. We have 3 sections here, the drive, crunch, and boom. The drive is a distortion for the overall sound, the crunch is its distortion for the mids and the highs, and the boom is a low-end enhancement, so it's going to increase the overall bass of the sound. We have 3 settings of distortion for the drive, an input gain trim, so reducing this will reduce the amount of input into the drum bus, and we have an optimized compression toggle, which will just compress the signal even more. This dampening knob is a filter that will filter out some of the high-end frequencies, and this transient will allow less or more emphasis of the transients that are coming through the drum bus. Let's do a test of the first 2 sections, and I'm going to reduce the overall volume by 6 decibels to compensate for the increased volume that the distortion is going to give. So both with the drive and the crunch, the drums feel a lot more full, a lot more gritty and aggressive. Dialing in a little bit of this distortion is going to add more weight to your drums without being overbearing and oversaturated. Lastly, we have the boom, but I'm going to use a kick for this example. So I'll drag the drum bus onto a kick drum. I'm going to increase the boom, which is going to increase the bass of the kick. But first, I'll select the proper frequency and click on this toggle to adjust it to the exact frequency. Then I will adjust the decay time to shorten the tail to my liking. I will increase the drive, a little bit of crunch, and a little bit of transients. And let's hear it before and after the drum bus. It's more powerful, more present, and a more full kick drum overall. Try drum bus on both your drums and your kicks, as well as other instruments. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up.